My dear students, how are you? Hope you all are okay by the grace of Allah. I am Kim Jakaria Alum, Senior Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Bogura. You are welcome to participate in online class program. Today, I am going to teach you on English second paper about making tag question. How to make a tag question I will discuss about the topics. Please look at the board and follow. Here some rules are written on the board. Question number 9 is prescribed in the question. Each question is on mark. 1 into 5, that means 5 questions will be prescribed in the question. You must have to answer all. Each question is for 1 mark. Now I am going to discuss about this. Dear students, please follow and listen to my lecture minutely. There are some rules about making tag questions. Here, statement is affirmative, answer will be negative. That means neg int ortho negative interrogative. Statement is negative, answer will be affirmative. That means F int, that is affirmative interrogative. Not will be used as a contracted form. Contracted means short form of not. Here please look at the short form of not. Not equal to ant. Affirmative sentence, he is a lad. It will be negative, but negative interrogative. That means auxiliary verb will come first with negative form, not will be short. He is a lad, isn't he? We should do the work. Here model auxiliary should will be added, not, that means shouldn't we. He has done the work. This sentence is affirmative, answer will be negative interrogative. He has done the work, hasn't he? Not always will be short. The sun rises in the east. Here, rises is the verb, main verb, and it is present tense. So, according to subject, the sun is the subject of third person and it will be impersonal pronoun. Doesn't it? As rise is the present verb, so does is necessary. Reza got a job. Here got is past. So tag question will be didn't. Reza will be pronoun he. Didn't he? Next, please look at the rules number 2. Hence, you may remember affirmative sentence. After realizing, please look at the south side, that means right side. Negative sentence will be affirmative. He is not happy. This sentence is negative, so it will be affirmative. Is he? Now I will discuss about negative sentence. A. He is not happy. This is negative sentence. Assertive but negative. It will be affirmative at the time of making tag question. Is he not will be out of the sentence. Nipa doesn't take tea. This is negative sentence. Answer will be affirmative. Does she? As Nipa is feminine gender, so its pronoun will be she. Say, Sakib didn't go home yesterday. Here didn't negative form of past tense. So your tag question will be did he. You have not done this. This is negative form. Your answer will be have you. He will not go to Dhaka. It will be tag will he. Now I am going to discuss about question number 2. Please look at these rules. Everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, anybody, anyone equal to they plus negative. Please look at the board. Anyone. You should remember about these rules. At the time of making tag question, everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, anybody, anyone will be they plus negative. Neg means negative. Everybody plus verb present. Your answer will be don't they. As everybody will be they, as verb is present, so they don't plus they. Everybody hates there. Here hates is verb in present. Everybody will be they, as verb is present, so it will be don't according to subject they. Everyone plus verb past. Your tag question will be didn't plus they. Such as everyone knew this. Here knew is a past verb. So your answer will be didn't they. Is everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, anybody, anyone, everywhere. Here is equal to are. Is will always be are to make tag question. Please look at the example. Someone is present here. As someone is there, so it will be plural. Aren't they? Has will be have. Anybody has got a prize. Anybody, anyone, somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, all will be they, but has will be have. Haven't they? You remember some rules. Please look at the left side. Am plus not equal to shorter form will be aren't, ain't. Both are correct. Shall plus not equal to shorter form in tag shan't. Can plus not equal to shorter form of tag can't. Dear students, please look at the board. and follow another rules. Negative form: nobody, no one, none. All will be there at the time of making tag question plus affirmative. Nobody, no one, none plus verb present equal to do they. As nobody is the negative subject, so sentence will be affirmative, negative, and answer will be affirmative. This is the form in structure. Do they? Nobody, no one, none will always be the at the time of making sentence. Please remember. They. Is will be are, was will be were, has will be have, as nobody, no one, none will be the plural form they. Please look at the example. Nobody, no one, none. Touch the land. Here touch is present tense. Trust is a verb and it is present tense. So answer will be do they. Now I am going to teach you another rule of tag question on imperative sentence. Please look at the board. There are some rules of imperative sentence on tag question are written on the board. Please follow punctually. Imperative sentence is of two kinds, affirmative and negative. Imperative of affirmative sentence, verb plus subject or etc. Adverb or so on. Tag question will be want to. Such as example number A, do your duty. Here subject is absent in the sentence, so it is imperative sentence. Want to. Hurry up. This is verb. Subject is absent in the sentence. It is imperative. The sentence will be tag want to. Example 3. Please help me. At the time of making tag with please, will you or would you, etc. Please follow the negative form of imperative sentence. Don't, never, both are the symbol of negative form of imperative sentence. Don't or never, verb plus object or adverb or so on. Tag will be will you. Example A, do not make a noise. As the sentence is negative form of imperative, so your answer will be affirmative. Will you? B, never tell a lie. Will you? Both are the same. These is the rules of imperative sentence, affirmative and negative both. Some exceptional rules. Let plus us equal to let's. Let's is the shorter form of let us. At the time of making tag question, let's will be shall we. Such as let's do the work, shall. Let me, let him, let her, let them. Except us. Let plus all objects will be you. Please look at the board carefully. Let me go home, will you? Let him or her sing a song, will you? Let them play, will you? Dear students, some exceptional rules which are necessary for you to understand for making correct tag question. Some negative words are written on the board. Please look at this. Rarely, hardly, scarcely, never, neither, little, none, few, seldom, all are negative words. So tag question will be affirmative. He hardly comes here. Here hardly is negative word, so answer will be affirmative. Does he, as comes is present, so does is necessary. A barking dog seldom bites. Here seldom is the negative word. So your tag question will be affirmative. As bites, this is verb for past present tense, so does it. Impersonal subject will be pronoun impersonal, it. He has few friends. Here few is a negative word, so tag will be affirmative. Has he? She has little knowledge. Here little is negative. This is the negative word, so your answer will be affirmative. Has she? That means such words will be out of the questions to make tag questions, but your tag question will be always affirmative. Dear students, I hope everybody of you have understood about the topic making tag question. I hope every one of you will try more and more at home. Without practicing yourself, you will get no benefit from this. Thank you.